Guys, let me educate you real quick about the types of lace we have. The one closest to the screen is the film lace from MsCiciHair company. Their new film lace is Real HD honey. I am really obsessed with this lace, guys. Undetectable, and it melts into skin. Oh my goodness, look at that. Do you see what I'm talking about? Amazing. They also send me their new invisible cap, but since this wig is glueless, I'm not gonna use it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by MsCiciHair company, and I'm so grateful, you guys. Thank you so much, MsCiciHair company, for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait for you guys to see their new film lace closure wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. The wig is undetectable, guys. It melts into skin perfectly, and I also love their transitional hairline. It is more natural than the regular pre-plucked hairline, you guys. So yeah guys, let's get straight into today's video without any further ado. But before we get into today's video, guys, please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig. And I also have a discount code for you guys so that you can buy this gorgeous wig. All right, period. Did I mention that it's glueless? Yes, the wig is glueless. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from MsCiciHair company. This is their gorgeous box. It is written natural hair wig, and this is how it looks. So they were kind enough to send me 2 wig caps, lashes, branded lashes, and this is how they look. A gorgeous pink comb and an edge brush, guys. And this was also very thoughtful because I'm going to be able to lay my edges very well. I love the quality of it. I am so obsessed, you guys. So now they send me their new 13x6 film lace wig. It is 12 inches and it is a straight bob, 180% density. You guys, let's get into the lace. Okay, look how soft the lace is, how transparent the lace is. Oh my goodness, look at the hairline. I love how they pre-plucked the hairline. I also love the fact that they bleached the knots. Look at that. How soft is this, you guys? Oh my goodness, you guys. I cannot believe this wig. I also love that the hairline is arc shaped so it can fit any forehead. I am so obsessed, you guys. So this is how it looks inside, you guys. It has 4 combs, it has an extra band and 2 adjustable straps over here. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this video. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from MsCiciHair company. And also I have a discount code for you guys. It is Mimi25. You're going to get yourself a 25% off chat. Okay, I got you. And also please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's get straight into today's video. Guys, look at the hairline. Oh my goodness, it looks super real.
What's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by
I'm so blown away. What I've noticed is that this arc shape lace, it is what makes the wig super flat. Look at this, guys. Can you even see it? Because the lace is so nice and thin. Look, this is, do you see that? This is what makes the whole wig super flat. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Yo, this looks like I literally just relaxed my hair. I'm so happy, you guys. Wow. Look at the Glueless situation, guys. Wow.
Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you. Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's